Believe it or not, many people are ready and willing to call you. Make it easy for them to get you on the phone directly from your website. We recently added a click-to-call function to the Success platform. When activated, it adds a Call Now link beside your lead generation forms. Now your visitors have a choice of submitting the form or instantly phoning you for more information. Now this works best on smartphones, which is where the majority of your traffic is probably coming from. Why not encourage more phone calls from those visitors to your website by including phone numbers on your headers, page titles, and graphics? And of course, you'll want to make sure that your footer and contact information, your team pages, all have clickable phone numbers as well. These are the most common places that people are going to look when they want to call you. Be sure to add phone numbers to your online marketing as well. Both Facebook and Google offer ad formats with click-to-call buttons. And consider using a marketing phone number, one that is connected to your CRM, so all incoming calls and text messages can be tracked. Now remember, this is a branded strategy, and incoming calls are a key channel that you'll want to make available to anyone who's looking for more information on you or your business online. Do you want to learn more about effective digital marketing and lead generation strategies? Our team of experts has over 23 years of digital marketing experience, plus the technology that you can use to leverage more conversations with less effort. To learn more, click the green button below to get started with a free marketing assessment.